Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. You're going to trace it. Oh, you're not going to do that because that looks weird. Just like a facial, but for your scalp. The Scalp Renew is a gel-based formula that gently removes buildup, balances oil, stimulates blood flow, and helps with dryness. This treatment is perfect for anyone with scalp conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, or any inflammation. The Scalp Renew is so easy to use. You're going to apply it once a week before showering. You're going to trace it along the hairline, just squeezing lightly, and then an inch apart. Again, following the hair the whole way down the back of the head. You can also squeeze a little bit out onto your fingertips, and you're going to massage it in. Oh, you can really feel and smell that peppermint oil. It's so cooling. Oh, it feels amazing. Once you massaged in, you're going to leave that for 10 to 20 minutes, then you're going to rinse out and double cleanse.